Jagannath Rath Yatra festival is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, Lord Krishna, his sister goddess Subhadra and his elder brother Lord Balabhadra or Balaram. Jagannath Rath Yatra is widely celebrated and one of the biggest festivals of India, where millions of devotees arrive and participate in the Rath Yatra processions and seek blessings of Lord Jagannath. Why Jagannath Rath Yatra is celebrated every year? History. Jagannath Rath Yatra is organized at Puri in Odisha. It is believed that Lord Jagannath every year wishes to visit his birthplace. Various stories are associated with this festival. Some of them are as follows. The maternal uncle Kansa of Lord Krishna and Balram invited them to Mathura to kill them. Kansa sent a Krur with a chariot to Gokul. Lord Krishna and Balram sat on the chariot and left for Mathura. The devotees celebrate this day of departure as Rath Yatra. Do you know the mystery behind Krishna's butterball? Another story says that the Rath Yatra festival is associated with Lord Krishna, Balaram and Subhadra in Dwarka. Once upon a time, 8 wives of Lord Krishna wanted to listen to some divine tales related to Krishna and gopis from Mother Rohini, but the mother was not willing to narrate the story. After a long request, she agreed, but on the condition that Subhadra would guard the door so that no one overhears. While the stories are being narrated by Rohini mother, Subhadra was got so captivated that meantime Lord Krishna and Balaram arrived at the doorway and Subhadra stopped them by standing in between them with her hands wide apart. That time sage Narad arrived and saw 3 siblings together. He prayed for the 3 of them to give their blessings in this way forever. The gods granted Narad's wish, and so Lord Krishna, Subhadra and Balaram reside in Puri's Jagannath temple eternally. In Dwarka, devotees celebrated the day when Lord Krishna, accompanied by Balaram, took Subhadra his sister, for a ride on a chariot to show the beauty of the city. An exciting story was there of Lord Krishna becoming the Sarathi, that is the driver of Arjuna's chariot, during the 18th day battle of the Mahabharat. Jagannath Rath Yatra procession. The 3 idols are taken from Jagannath temple to the Gundicha temple. These idols are placed in the decorative chariots, accompanied by chants and conches, which can be heard all around. Before Rath Yatra, the idols are bathed with 109 buckets of water, which is known as Snana Purnima. Till the day of procession, they are placed in isolation as it is believed that they are ill. This event is known as Ansara. On procession day, the holy ritual Chhera Phara is performed by the royal successor of Odisha. Various hordes of locals and devotees flock around the temple area. In Chhera Phara ritual, the king brings deities from the temple and are placed on the chariot. Before placing them, the king himself sweeps the chariot that has a gold handle. Later, he decorates the chariot with flowers. The ground on which the chariot will move is also cleaned by him, and then sandalwood is sprinkled on it. This ritual shows that everyone is equal in the eyes of God. The 3 deities are placed in the aunt's place, the Gundicha temple, for a span of 9 days. Later, they are back to their home. The return journey of the 3 deities is termed as Bahuda Yatra. In the evening, when deities reach the Jagannath temple, wait outside the temple. On the next day, the idols are adorned with new clothes like babies, and the ritual is known as Suna Visa. After this day, the deities are placed again into the Sanctum Sanctorum, marking an end to the Rath Yatra of Jagannath Puri. Jagannath Rath Yatra. Significance. The word Jagannath is made up of 2 words, Jaga, which means universe, and Nath means Lord, that is, Lord of universe. In fact, the Lord Jagannath is considered as one of the reincarnations of avatars of Lord Vishnu. Every year, the Rath Yatra is celebrated by the devotees. Idols are taken out on a chariot and the 3 chariots are pulled by the devotees through the streets of Puri to the Gundicha temple a few kilometers away. There is a belief that pulling the chariots of their god during the procession is a way of engaging in the pure devotion of Lord, and it also destroys the sins which might be committed either knowingly or unknowingly. Jagannath Rath Yatra is celebrated by millions of devotees that came from across the world to seek the blessings of gods and fulfill their wishes. The atmosphere at the time of Rath Yatra is so pure and beautiful. Devotees with the chariots keep singing songs, mantras with the sound of drum beatings. Jagannath Rath Yatra is also famous as Gundicha Yatra, Chariot Festival, Dasavatara and Navadina Yatra.